Okay, it will just be us.
They updated the mines. Let's go check it out.
Let's go!
Billy's not here today, so yeah. Okay,
Right.
there's nothing over
Let's
here.
go
Oh,
see what? Let's go to the
oh yes, it's this bit. The lava crystals are down here. I hear something.
Bro, there's loads of gold. Bro, there's loads of gold.
And purple diamonds. Sorry, we're kind of gold. Use the zip line. Use the zip line. Just look up and grab it. Yeah, just watch my friend die. What? It's crazy.
Good, I'm back up.
Where? Oh, there you are. Bro, this kind of gives you crazy money a little bit.
Good, I have no idea how to get off this.
Yeah, I know, they're very hard. Just drop on the plank. Come on this plank. Actually, I'll just jump down with you, okay? Hello?
Just,
What bit are you at?
I'm at the bottom, just come down.
Come on! Ah!
Hi, dude. Dude, I've got so much gold.
No, there's a bunch of gold. I made gold drop, so you'd probably find gold like near here. Let's go. What is this bit? What the? We can't go anywhere.
Where do we go?
To
Down here?
No. Right. Bodhi, try. Come on. Let's try it. Right. 3, 2, 1. Right. Get on that. Get on that one. Get on that one. Yeah, that's perfect. Let me get my pickaxe.
I want to go up there.
No, I'm pretty sure these bits are pretty rich. Whoa. What's this? Bodhi! Look at this.
Whoa! No, I need these things like so bad.
Yeah, so do I. I have one.
What's these?
Whoa, more. There's more.
I have 0.
By the way, this one won't break. It's indestructible. Whoa, that might quit. That might quit. That might quit.
No, but I broke it. I broke it.
No, I broke it. You can add that. But guess what I found out?
Dude, ready? I'm gonna throw this grenade. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
I found out that there's actually a daily cap to how much thingies you can get. So see if you mine like 40. No, see if you mine 30 purple diamonds and you haven't got one.
Let me empty that. Don't take my gold. Don't take my gold. I'm emptying. Oh, like the.
Copper.
Oh, yeah, copper.
Quickly. By the way,
Yeah.
so if you've mined like 20 purple things and you didn't get a research point, you've probably hit the cap of how many you can get per day. So you can only mine like 4 research points per day, which is kind of really annoying because you can't even get your max. Ow! You hit me.
Sorry.
Whoa, let's mine these.
Oh, dude, through here.
Let me come. No, look right here.
But I've got loads of gold.
Bodhi, there's gold here. Oh! Bro, I have 200 company coins. I'm coming! Are you there? What the actual heck is that? fucking chasing me. Brody, just try to come back.
Okay.
By the way, I found a piece of gold for you.
Okay.
What are they? I didn't even know that there was an update, so.
I'm just entering the mines.
Freak, I basically just fell to the bottom there. I basically just fell to the bottom a little bit, so I'm trying to climb up.
Dude, I kinda need a flashlight.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. But see, wait till someone says over, because then we know that someone's done talking. That way I don't only hear this when you speak. Over.
Yeah, I need a flashlight because there's like, I can't, see anything.
You'll be fine. You know what, I'll just come up and try to get you. Bro, I'm at the top. I'm coming. I think I found a way.
Okay.
Freaking hell. You scared me.
Okay, I need my backpack back. I had like 5 pieces of gold there.
There's one right there, but come on. There's more than one. Oh, this way. Sorry, this way. This way. Right, come on.
It was real.
Right. So you died if you would come.
No, nah.
Yeah, I know. I told you there's gold. And you died. And there's weird gold. Boys. Oh, nah. 2 research crystals. Freak. Buddy. Spider in there. Ah! Buddy! It's coming for me, I think. Let me turn off my light. I'm coming back down.
Dude, I'm at the bottom of mine.
Hello? I told you, a spider!
I just got hit for so much health.
Let me see. Let me see your watch. Your full health.
Oh, please. Still got hit. Did you hear me screaming into the mic?
Yeah.
I also dropped my crowbar.
Oh, it's fine. We'll get you a new one. Come on, follow me. I saw it. Here, get on this bit. Get on this bit. Ew, bunk. Oh, research crystal. Let me quickly mine it. Let me get my crowbar the right way.
Dude, can you mine that gold for me over there? That gold.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. Yeah, there's a piece of gold right there. Oh yeah, this is the bit I told you there's gold at. Yeah, we're near the bit you died. This is literally right next to the bit you died. Oh, I got you 2 big chunks.
Yes, thank you.
I'm just gonna mine this.
Flashlight was about to fall there.
Come on, let's go to the bit you died at. Oh my god, there they are.
I know what they...
They don't look too strong, right? I think I can take them. Stay here, right? Stay. There's 3. Right, stay here. Ready? Bro, stay here. Right, stay right there. Don't run. Freak! Run, run, run.
Run.
Hey, jump! It's gonna jump. Right, Brody. It's right there.
Okay. Is that me? He's on the way home.
Right. Oh my! Get onto that. Yeah. No! Let me jump down. I'm jumping. Right. Whoo! Freak! I'm coming up.
Good. Dude, give me a hug. It's so nice to see you. Dude, give me a hug. Hug.
Oh, sorry.
What?
Here. Right. Let's... No, not that way. We've been that way. Should we, like, run past the bit that those creepy guys came from?
It's a little risky.
It is risky, but...
Dude, he's right there. Come here.
Yeah, I know. There's
right
one
here.
right there. They, like, go boom and hit you.
I know.
Whoa.
Dude, no.
There's so much
They're
gold.
camping, man.
Turn off your flashlight.
Dude, this is why I said to bring a gun.
Estelle! Let me get this gold for you. One's right there. Right, get ready to grab the gold.
No.
I'll protect you.
You can stand in front of me.
Yeah. Right, get one piece. Fine, it's fine. See if you move slow.
Wait, I think my crowbar's in here.
No, I saw you throw your crowbar.
Yeah,
Right.
because I've got so
There's a
scared.
piece.
There's all my gold over there. That's all my gold.
Freak, I'm killing him. Come here! Oh! Oh! Back here! Hello?
Your voice is just echoing, going back. Dude,
I didn't expect two to come. Hey, Waddies, come here! I'll smoke you! Well, they're scared of us.
Good. Can I go back and put my gold back? Because like, I'm kind of low health. I mean low battery.
Go back and... Yeah.
That's crazy, man. I charged.
Oh, he chased you, boy. Come here! Right, let's go. But we have to make it to the top, so... Freak!
That takes you down.
Come on! Come here! Right, we're going to use this one and go all the way up. And see when I say jump, jump to where I jump.
Hello. Bye-bye.
Look, there's spikes, so be careful. Jump! Freak, the spider's here.
Is it?
It's in there.
This is where I dropped my crowbar. So that's where I dropped it, right over there.
No, I saw you, it like flew. Right, the spider's easy to kill. So,
No, it's not.
yeah, he is. But anyway, I think we came from this way. So I don't think it matters. Yeah, we did.
Let's see how much money I get.
This way. Yeah, we did. Quickly.
I keep
What
backing into
this?
corners.
This way, this way. Yes.
Imagine just get grabbed back.
Alright, let's go. Explode the landmine! Freak. My flashlight is gone. Let's see how much money we make. I swear, if this doesn't make us at least 1,000, I'm actually...
Wait, just stand back, because I, like...
It doesn't matter how far somebody is. They still get some coins. Ow. Wait, look, I bet it's this button. I bet See, I told you! Gold is like worth nothing.
What? I thought gold was worth like so much.
No. What's your headset at?
It's red and it's
Bro,
5%
why'd you never charge your headset?
I did! Dude, I charged it on... Do you expect me to sit there for 6 hours until 6 o'clock? To not
Well,
play
you can
this
play
game?
it, but at least wait. I've got an idea. No, I'm not gonna do that. There's no suitcases, by the way. When you go to the suitcase bit, there's no suitcases. Should we go?
They removed them from the game.
Did they?
Yeah.
So angry right now. Shoot me. Go. Do it.
Well, yeah, you pretend to be the guy that removed them. How dare you remove suitcases! Oh.
Yeah, remove suitcase. What are you doing?
What are you just doing? What are you doing?
I'll remove the suitcases. Exactly!
Why?
Why? Because...
No! No!
I should have said that.